Hi everyone, Patrick here at Fields BMW of Daytona. I'm here with this 2025 X1 xDrive28, and I just wanted to show you how to deactivate the auto start-stop. So on a lot of these cars, the engine will shut off if you come to a full stop. That is a fuel saving measure, but sometimes people don't like that. So I just wanted to make a video and show you how to deactivate it. So first thing, when you get in the car, there is two ways to deactivate it. First way, pull down from the top. It'll be right there. So auto start stop, when it's gold like that with the bar on top lit up, that means it is active. So if you want to deactivate it, click that, and now the engine will no longer shut off when you come to a stop. Second way, down here you got a button with the car and some lines. If you click that, it will bring up a screen on the main display, and then you'll see right there, deactivate auto start stop once. So you do have to click this every single time you get in the car. Same thing with the pull down button. Every time you drive, you need to set this if you don't want it to shut off the engine. But you do have the option, so that will help if it's been something that's been annoying you. So if you ever have any questions, or if you'd like to come in and test drive one of these vehicles, feel free to come down to Fields BMW of Daytona Beach. Have a good rest of your day.